Okay, today is Sunday, May 8th, 5:57 a.m. and I just tried to start my truck and it wouldn't start again. Yesterday I was up in Cortez, Colorado, and it wouldn't start in the morning after sitting all night, and it started after about 3 hours. So now we're trying again. Nothing. I'm turning the key and nothing. I hear a click over here, and then we're gonna watch these screens. My key active. Okay. Dimming. Okay. I've never seen that before. Okay, let's shut the door. We're gonna try it again. Nothing. See, nothing. And so we'll put her in neutral. Nothing. Okay, we're gonna put her back in park. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Alrighty, so we'll give this a minute and you'll see how this screen will change. No, it's back to its home screen, just like the truck's running. That's what it looks like going down the road. And so she's dead again. We'll keep trying over the next 3 hours, like yesterday, to get her started. And I want to get this camper off so I can get this down to the Ford dealer again. One more time. No. No start, no crank. Let's turn her off. One more time. This is what it looks like when I totally turn it off, and these screens will go out in a second here. Oh wait, I gotta open the door. That's right. There we go. Okay, totally blank screen. Let's try this again. Nothing. I'm putting my foot on the brake. Still nothing. One more time. Into neutral. Nothing. Back to park. And nothing. Okay. This is the second video.